We are now going to be trading some binary option here at IQSense. I will as always just check that everything is in order before we start. So let's take a look. We are live. Yeah, everything seems to be in order. Then we will start our live session. Let me just check here. Okay. Okay. Then let's choose the pairs that you're going to be trading today. Hopefully it's more than we had the last few days. Let's go back to trading. Seems like none of the pairs we traded yesterday is above 70. Okay, but this one is. Let's see, we have that one, that one, that one. That seems to be it. Just 4 pairs. But let's check if you have some cryptocurrencies. No. Let's check this one here and that one. Okay, we have gold also. Cool. Then let's see if we find some good trades. Right from the bat, I see a trade down here. Let's mark it. From there to about there, we can go in then. There, easily. Let's see here now. We are ready. It's moving very fast. Let's see if we can get in entry. I'm ready. So we are waiting an entry. I think I'll take it right away as it crossed the line. We've come to it. Starting to slow down. You can also consider trade in the top around there. So we have trading zone. Let's see. We are ready. As fast as we cross this line here, we'll take it. Wow. I was early. I did click by a little by mistake, I did admit. But let's see. I'm not 100% sure how good the entry is. But let's see. I think it's around here. And it might just be good enough. Let's just wait more. 12 seconds. 10. We just might win this one here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got it. No, we did not get it. Of course we did not. We are in the money all the time and we lost in the last minute as always. There you see how annoying this is. We lost in the last, it's not minute, no, not minute, second, I mean. That happened too often and it's a little boring, but nothing we can do with. Just move on. But yeah, this one was a clear winner all the time, but we lost it. I take one more in there. So now we have 2 trades with 2 different timers. Now let's see if we can win this 2 first before we take more. The first is actually the better one. Take one more there. 3, 2, 1. We won the first. Good. So then we take minus 100 plus 78. And we take one more there now. Now let's see. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We won 2 there. Sweet. Plus 78. Plus 78. Then our last trade. We can take a new trade if you go down now. So timing is reset up here. So let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we won that one also. Plus 78. We are now 212. So at least we got 4 winners here now. But we did follow this one here. So we got in more trades. Let's see if we can get down there again. We just might get there now. That was almost. There, go in one more. And when the timer switch, we take one more. If you can get a good one. There, one more. Then we have 3. Let's see how this plays out. One more. Lost 2 now. Looks like. Yes. Minus 200. Let's see if we lose. If we win this 2 will not be that bad. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and we lost this 2. Oof. Okay. Then I think we go back to trading $200. We are not super bad. We are 2 trades away from profit. That was boring. Remove this boring thing. Let's see up in the top here. From there to about there. We'll take an entry there. Let's see. Okay. This area down here is good also. Let's mark it from there to there. Let's see. We have a new trading zone. We got a good entry there. Does not help if this one is going to go more down. Wow. I'm looking down there for entry also. There. Now let's see if we can at least win this one here. This one is no hope. Won one, lost one. Okay, minus 200 plus 146. Okay, that's still 2 trades away from success. Let's see here now. Oh, entry around here. Normally I would say that is good, but as he's pushing so much down, I tend to not like it that much. Okay, we are a little deep in money right now, so there are hope. Let's see if we can win this one. Start to look better for us. 5, 4, 3. We are deep in money. We won that one. Plus 146. Okay. Let's continue. We are ready. If we get down there again now, that is. I'm looking for an entry around there. Let's see. On the white line there. So let's see. Here, if you compare, any trade you can get in between the 2 lines will be good. I guess this one might go up around this level here. There are some resistance here. I'm not expecting him to just pass through this if he go up there. So the higher probability is a trade down here again. Now let's see. close. He's holding quite good around this region here, but I think he will shoot down very fast, so he just need to be ready. Problem is, when he shoot down here, he probably will be here like in a sleep of a second and shoot up again. So it's a huge probability that we can get a bad entry. So that's why we have the white lines. We at least maybe have possibility to get a trade in between the two blue lines here. Now let's see. We are currently minus 96. So we are one trade away from profit. Now he's testing this area. Basically the resistance start around here. Like I said, it's a higher probability we'll test down here again than we go up here. But probability is one thing. He came to the top of the resistance, start around here, came all the way up here. If you pass this area, he have broken it. So if you go any higher than this bar here, he break it. Then next stop is up here. And here we don't need to have an entry line. If any we can get right in between here is good. Okay. He retested up there. Let's see. And yes, then we concentrate up here. Here the resistance starts around here, but you see the spikes, they come up here. So it's the spikes you're after. Trades here can be profitable, but it's very difficult to get a good entry. If you can get one up here, that would be amazing. Now we just might get one. Here is the same deal. He might shoot up here very fast, so you need to be ready. Like I said, if we get the trade now and we win, we are in profit again. Plus now I'll take this $30, so I think it will be very good. Well, let's see. Retesting the support that is around here, all the way down to here. But they have a tendency, if you break this first one here, they typically end up breaking down here. Now let's see. Actually, is pretty strong down here also when I see it now, and I look to the past. Did hold actually quite good, broken just 2 times here, so it looks like it's not easily broken this area down here. Of course here we did not need many tries to break it, but let's see. Now we have this partial stop reconnecting, and we broke it. So then a higher probability down here again. Let's see. But now I feel he's breaking very easily up and down. So this is non-existing almost, this resistance and support here now. Looks like the buyer and sellers are not strong in this area now, so just go through wherever they want to. Starting to be a little tired of this pair now. We have been waiting very long times for trade. We have not traded now for 7 minutes. Let's see if we have something else while we wait. It's a little higher in here. I don't like it that much. I think we move on. Down here, we see it's good. So I enter between there and here. That is amazing. So let's drag this one over here. I think was this one we were trading also. So let's move it there. Let's check. Yes, here we have something also. Of course, we can't look everything at the same time, but I enter between there and around here would be good. Let's move there. So then let's see. This one I think was the best. We do have a trend going downward, so we are aware of that. Short term, by the way, it's a trend. So we need to follow and see how that will play out. And just short-term trends can break. You see here was a short-term trend and he broke up. So it does not mean they are weaker than the ones that go for longer. While we wait there, let's see if we have something here. No, check this one. Here also I think we have a trend in the bottom, something like this. Currently, none of them are close. This one broke, so you can remove this trend line. Okay. Let's see. Retesting up here. Okay, down here I think now start to look nice. Around there and here. Let's see. Of course, we continue looking up here. So we have a trading zone. My god, it's a long time since the last trade now. But you can take trades just to take trades either. Sometimes we get a lot of trades and sometimes we get a slow time like this. But yes, it's 13 minutes since we did take the last trade now. I'm in there. Now let's see. While we wait, we do like we always do. Let's go and check. And we just might get one here. Let's see. We are ready, at least. Nope. Check here. Far away from betting, so let's go back here. Higher probabilities here right now. This one have been the money all the time, so I really hope we win this one. Typically this type of trades, if we lose, it will be money till we see 1 second and then we lose it. But we won that one. That is pretty darn good. That means we are in profit, 154. Let's take the $34 up there also. Plus 34. We are now $92 in profit. We can now turn back to $100 trades. So then it's repaired. So now at least you are in profit. Let's keep it that way. Let's which one we were trading? That was gold. We are down there again, looks like. Let's see if we can get ourselves a good entry. I'm taking an entry around down there. I can make an entry line so it's easier for you to see. I will push around there. So let's see. We can remove this line here. Now let's see. Push. I got an entry around here. Should be good enough. Let's bring it up. While we're waiting, we can see if we get a trade here. I don't feel for taking more trades on this one because it's not super strong, so I think can break. So if we start take too many trades here, we can end up going in the minus again. We don't want that. So I'd rather take one and one trade on this one. Sometimes I like to take many trades, so like every time, for example, see here now, if you take one trade here now would be 35 seconds, and then you see, for example, there again you can take one more trade, and then it's a new, more like a new trade. But yes, we won that one, plus 77. Let's go back and take a look. Let's do like this. We might just get one more trade there now. Let's see. We have a small winning streak here now, so let's see if we can keep it that way. Currently we are $169 in profit. Let's see if we can build from that on. By the way, don't look this thing here, this is just rubbish. You see it change all the time. Let's go back here. Okay, we might just get a trade up here now. Changing it a little in between. No. This one did go a little higher, so we're starting to be very close to our trading zone. Now we just might get one more trade here, a little more. There, I did take entry. I think I got a very good entry, a little above the white line. So let's continue here. Let's see. Gold have been good for us now for a little while. Okay, in out of the money now. We don't like that. Let's see. Better do it now than later. Okay, long time. Okay. Really testing the support area. That would be nice if you can get a trade with this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we got it. Yes, sweet. Another $77. Let's go back and see how things looks like. Do you know what? Looks nice. We can continue here. Let's see, and okay, I did not take there. We broke it, so then thankful I did not take a trade. Sometimes I'm a little loose in the trigger, I take it. Then let's go back here. We might get a trade up here now. We are ready for it. Here, just if you just cross the blue line, I click. That was incredible close. Did not. Oh, I pushed by mistake. I'll take one more if I get up there. There, and there we got a good one. Then let's see how these two plays out. One, of course, the one I clicked by mistake. It had good entry also, but that's it. If you lose these two now, it will be a little boring. But you're still be in profit, but we lose major profit if you lose two. But I don't think we should do that, because he's doing good trades. Now let's see if some of the other ones starting tradable. I don't like that he's so much in out of the money when there's so little time left. He's really pushing up there. There, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and both of them. Sweet. Plus 73, plus 73, and we are $392 profit. Now let's see. Okay, he broke above it, so we, in some way, we were actually lucky we won them. And then I don't think we can trade more there. Next area is actually all the way up here. Let's see, around here is the next area that I find interesting. So a little far away. So let's check the one we have not traded at all. Okay, what can we do here? only this area did halfly like. There are something around here, but it's not that good. We can mark it, of course, and take a look. Around there to there is half decent. If you can get up there, it's half decent. If you're gonna take a trade here, we need an incredible good entry. So something like there, if we get an entry there, we will be very good. So the white line is the area. So, but yes, we are. Let's take this $8 because that makes us in a very good area. We are now with this $8. We exactly have made $400 today. We have around 20 minutes left. So let's see if we can keep this going. We might get a day that looks like Monday and Tuesday. This today, so we made around $600 each. Yesterday was like little above 100, so not super good. I think it was like 160 yesterday, if I don't remember correctly. But profit is profit. Now let's see if we can continue this today. Now might be an incredible good week. Let's see. I'm looking for trade on this white line. Let's see. I think for us to get the win rate we want, we need an entry on the white line. Okay, so let's concentrate about getting an entry there. So let's see. And if you're wondering why I jump between 100 and 200, why I don't just keep it at 200, the reason for that is that sometimes when you're trading in the start, we get a bad start. I fix it faster by doing 200 because we know we have a specific win rate. Yes, of course, if you just keep it 200 all the way, it can look better. But the reality is that we do have losing days, that's possible. But by doing that, I remove some of the losing days. I have seen through my statistics that when I do like that, we have a tendency to do a little better. Of course, if you do 200 trades from January to December, we make more money, of course. But psychological standpoint of view, we tend to look better on the paper about winning days when you do this. So from day to day, can look better to take 100 to 200, but from year to year, 200 of course all the time is better. But I tend to look a little day to day instead. So let's see, this area up here starts to look good, to be quite frankly. Let's see in the past. It is actually a very good area, but I think I go for what I have decided up here. But yes, entry around here. Let's make it another color so we don't yellow to about here. It's not that bad. Let's take one trade just to test, as we are so much in profit, by the way. Let's see if we take a trade here and a $200 trade up here. We can do that. Of course, you have a chance to lose $300, but let's go for it. 100 here, and if we continue upwards, we take a 200 trade up here. Let's see. We have done this before. I had I think this year just one time before, and that time we lost. So let's see if we don't want a repeat of that, but let's do our best. Let's see. Be right back. I hope don't come in trades. do you know what? Looks like we came up, but we get more chances. Let's see. And if you did take a trade here, looks like you're getting a winner. Or was this while I was gone? I don't know. Maybe it was this bar. Don't remember. So let's see. This support here is pretty strong also. Take a trade there on the support. We did not get the entry we wanted, but let's see. I know I did not mark this area, was a more like a impulsive trade. Let's hope I don't lose this impulsive trade. Because you see this area here is quite nice also. I will not mark it, but if you want to get trade this area. Let's see now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we won that one. So, but yeah, if you want to trade here, you can buy up here. This is quite good. I will not mark it because I don't think I'll trade every time. But if I see he move very slowly, I might take one again. Yes, plus 73. So we are now have 470. I think if we continue like this, I might just take one more trade. Now I stay away because the bar is quite old, so he will change. Because if he closed out there, that is a bearish move and he will continue downwards. We want it to be on a fresh bar. Do you understand? So what I mean with a fresh bar is that when this bar, let's say he closes up here, and he goes slowly down here like the first 20 seconds of the bar, it's a very good time to take a trade. But now, for example, this bar anytime now will close, and if he close, then he will close with a lower low than this. That means that it's a bearish move and he might continue downwards. Now I feel this bar is forever, but if we close here now, that would be very bearish. Let's see. He closed it quite good, so if we come down now very fast, we might take a trade. Because now we are early in the bar, so if you come down to around this area here now, then I feel it's much better to take a trade. So it's something about that also when you need to take these trades, you need to think about how early it is in the bar. So let's see. So now I think he's like halfway in the bar. So something to think about. Let's go back to gold. Let's take a look here. Okay, so here I made some higher. I don't have no information here in the nearby future. So let's go to euro against dollar. We did taken a lot of trades there also. Okay, so he came up to that level here. I think we get more trades there. Let's say this one, and we got a higher there also. So currently it's not that much to trade, but I will say bet on good. We are now 473. Let's make it $2 more. So 475. Let's see. Okay, now we can come up to the area we wanted. Let's see. Oh, that was close. Let's remove this yellow thing. Now we are interested only on the white line. Did I put it too high? Probably I did. Let's move it there. Oh, I'm talking about that. We did cross a little high. I should have taken a trade there. I'm not sure. Let me see. Yes, we could do that. Now let's see if that will be a money shot. It was a good entry. Very good entry actually. Better than I wanted. So we should win this one here. Now let's take a look here. We might just have an optional trade around here. Are we really losing that one? With such a good entry. Wow. Okay. Minus 100. We are then down to 375. I was not expecting that, I need to admit. Here, I believe we can take an entry around there. Let's make it white. Just one time cross the bar, so this should be good. I think I'll take it there actually. Because then we get these spikes. I think there will do good. If you can get a trade very close to the white line, we should win that one. Let's see. We are ready. That was not good enough for us. There, right? Now let's just wait and see. This one we should really win. Incredible good entry. But we never know. And we won it. Sweet. Let's see what we do more. Plus 78. Let the bar cool down and close below the blue one line here now. Let's just wait and see what will happen here now. Because this bar closed very high, so I don't want. This can be a continuation. It's a bullish bar. So let the another bar relax a little first. So we keep our arms away from trading. We need this one now to close below the lower blue line. Looks like he will do, but let's wait and see. Okay, looks like it. Oh, see, he can still shoot up and continue. So don't be tricked. He closed it even higher, so we still need to wait this bar to close below the lower blue line, because this is still a bullish move. He can continue upwards, like you see. He maybe will do now. And he did. You see, that's why follow the small rules you put yourself. Does not mean it's a guarantee we're going to win, as you have seen before, but remove us from taking a bad trade. So there we have it. Now we just need to move on. Okay, so our profit is, let's take this $4. I'd like to sometimes to update. We are now $457 profit. That is pretty nice. This area up here is actually not that bad. So let's, if we can have a trade in between these lines there, that would be good. With a maybe an entry around there. If we can get that, we'll take it. Yes, I'm aware of the trend line. Let's see. We can at least take it now. I will mark it after this if I take a trade. Let's see. Close. Now I can mark the trend line very fast. You see, it's something like this, but we still have some space. There, now we have a completed market. So we see we have still a little time. I did take a trade here. I got a bad entry. Not bad, it's around here. But let's see. Actually, the entry should be good enough. Now we need to wait 17 seconds. Of course, he's pushing much up here now. That's now he's holding. Let's hope it is for the downside. Come on, Mona. Let me see. Reconnecting, and we got it, sweet. Okay, so we got 74. I don't think we'll trade more on this one, but let's collect this $74. Let's collect the $2 also. So we have 533. That is the highest we have seen today. So we are getting very close now to actually achieve what we did Monday and Tuesday. We are one trade away from $600. How much time we have left? We have around 5 minutes left, so we can actually achieve it. Let's see if we have something good. I only are going for the best of the best now. But for now, none of them is giving me best of the best. This is too risky to take more trades here now, because we know the squeeze is here, and yeah, this is not good. Was risky even to take the trade we did here, because it's really squeezing up here now. And from what we can see is that he has been going on since all the way down here, breaking this, breaking here, breaking this strong one here. So probably he will break higher, I believe. I think he will have a continuation. So I think he will break this area anytime now. That is my guess, at least. Now let's see. By the way, Bitcoin halving is coming probably tomorrow. It's a very good time to buy cryptocurrency right now. Typically around 3 months from now, the values are going to skyrocket again. So typically 3 months after halving is a time when the bull market reaches its top. So be aware of that. Now there might be, this area here might have a very good support area. I will mark it. We do not have any tests of this area yet, so we need at least one bar to go down, but our entry could be around this white line here, if he just can come and test it, that is. So let's see. But yes, around this white line there will be the best entry. Let's see. Just wait a little, I'll get myself some water. Now let's see. We came very close, but this I don't consider a test of the white line. So we need a little more before we can continue in that area. We have very little time left now, so let's see. Is pushing down a little more. You can just get one test. Let's see. I think that's about it for today. We made a profit of 533. I'm happy with that. So that.